I want to video document our Christmas Eve because I want to start living a slow kind of life before we even enter New Year. So we woke up, Dada is still asleep, and then I washed my face. Then we headed here in our kitchen. We already had toasted bread. I used our toaster there. And I had coffee, Taz had Milo. His Milo is not yet finished. Joy arrived to do the washing. He's hand washing my white clothes because they're very flimsy. I don't want them to go in the washer. And now Taz wants me to cook an egg. So I'm gonna use this pan for the very first time. Oh, yesterday I did some shopping. I bought cookware. Let me show you. The rest of my cookware are there. I bought groceries. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna cook or Noche Buena. I'm going to see what my energy will be like. So yeah, my days will be dictated by my energy. I want to respect my body and listen to my energy and, work, move accordingly. So anyways, just documenting our Christmas Eve morning.
Bye bye.
I'll continue later. I need to figure out how to cook the egg using that pan.